Hello fellow bikers and bike enthusiasts, I hope you're doing wonderful today. Welcome to Bearded Outlaw on another very cloudy day. This is Arvin and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I found a fellow biker on Instagram who happens to have his own YouTube channel, Iron J Moto. He rides a Harley Davidson Iron 883 and he lives pretty close to me. Once you finish watching this video, you should totally go over to his channel where you can find him riding Raven, my R3, and other quality content. I will leave a link to his channel in the video description below. Anyways, I was going to make one video of me riding with Iron J Moto, but I ended up trying out his bike. So instead of cramming everything into one video, I'm going to split it into 3 separate parts. So be on the lookout over the next week for the other 2 videos. So today, come with me and take a look at my first time ever on a Harley Davidson and a quick ride around the parking lot. Look who we got here today.
Got Iron J Moto here, guys. What's up?
Yeah, we got Iron J Moto. He literally lives 15 minutes away. He hit me up today on Instagram and he's like, "Hey, let's go for a ride." I said, "Yeah." Alright bikers, this is going to be my first time on a Harley Davidson motorcycle. Check it out. Man, she is beautiful. I am loving the black. Definitely loving the Punisher on the top. Alright, so this bike is a little interesting. To start her up, we got the key right here. So you put it in ignition. Oh my god, yep, that is definitely heavier than my bike. Oh man, I am so not used to the seating position. Like it is weird because you kind of have to like reach forward to get the handlebar. Alright, let's see. So this is the kill switch. This is the starter. Whoa! Dude, that is freaking loud. Holy crap, that is loud. Alright, this is a little intimidating. Let's see. Put it in the first. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of intimidating. Alright, let me let the beamer go. And let me let this car go too. Alright, let me try this. Jeez. Oh my god. This is definitely different. This is definitely going to get some getting used to. Oh, I got him making that really wide turn. Yeah, let me let that car go. I am not talking, I am purely concentrating on riding this thing. Alright, almost home. And we're back. Let me see if I can put it in neutral. Let's see. Nope, that's gear. Okay.
Just kill it. Yeah.
No, I'm just gonna kill it.
No, right one. Yeah, you're good.
Wow.
It's neutral. It's like a skill on these.
I couldn't find it. Like I put it all the way down. That's first, and then I couldn't get it into neutral. But wow, when I turn it on, that sound, like that is so quiet. Did you do something to the pipes?
So it's actually stock pipes, but the guy who owned it before me cut the baffles off.
Oh, okay.
So for me, I'm gonna eventually upgrade the exhaust, but it's sick that with no baffle, it's like.
I've heard it from afar, but this is my first time actually getting on one. When I turned it on,
that roar, man, that is intense, and like the thing freaking vibrates. It's crazy. It shakes.
So what do you?
Whoa! I'm not gonna lie, man. My heart is freaking beat. Like it is freaking racing. This is awesome.
So what do you think about the weight difference between my bike and your bike?
This bike is definitely much heavier than my bike, because like my bike it's pretty nimble, but this one, like I'm trying to make that turn there, and because like my bike, the steering wheel is here, sorry, the handlebar is here, so it's pretty easy to make the turn. But if you're here, I kind of have to reach forward.
Yeah.
And when I'm turning, like I just made that turn really wide.
Yeah.
But
funny, because I thought the riding position would be good for you, because it is a little bit of a forward lean than like your typical like Harley where you're kind of like this.
True.
But yeah, dude, that's sick. I'm
like this is very different, because you have to really lean forward. Like I just can't imagine how riding a Harley would be if you got your hands up here. I can't even imagine.
Yeah, there's pros and cons, because if you have like the ape hangers, you're just taking wind to the chest. At least for me, when we kind of get anywhere above like 50,
you can kind of tuck to. Yeah, that's true. But yeah, man, this is a beauty. All right, man. Thank you for
shared ride soon.
Definitely, yes. Thank you for letting me try a route.
Of course, dude. Sick.
I'm not gonna lie, bikers. This is intimidating. The growl when you first turn it on, that is intense. All right, let me see if I can put the kickstand down without dropping this thing. The kickstand is actually really light compared to my bike.
And with that, this video has come to an end. Remember, you don't stop riding because you get old. You get old because you stop riding. So don't stop.